Merhaba, كيف انتم? Welcome to Malta. We're going to explore the three cities. Three cities in Malta: Vittoriosa, Cospicua, Senglea, or Birgu, Bormla and Isla. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong, I really tried to do it Maltese version. Let me know in the comments how I did. Situated right across from Valletta, surrounded by fortress walls, full of culture, history and architecture. It's a fascinating place to learn about Maltese history and culture. In contrast to other touristy areas in Malta, the three cities keep their authentic feel. The old days spirit is still there, untouched by modern life. The atmosphere here is so calm and charming, almost like stepping back in time. So we came by ferry and we're going back by a traditional gondola. It's so cool, we have the private boat. It's not busy, not many people coming back. So it was just us on that little traditional gondola boat.
Making that picture and the people say, hey, hey.
That was cute.
Thinking we are on a honeymoon. I feel to be 30.
I don't think I'm still in my 20s, so I don't hear anything. I'm still 20 something. Taking the boat from Valletta is an amazing experience. The best way to enjoy it is to wander through the narrow streets, take a ferry ride across the Grand Harbour, explore the fortifications and visit museums and galleries. Adrian refused walking on those stairs. Too much steps for you, no? It's hot. It's very hot. Another steps. And steps number 3. And no from Adrian. Oh. The steps which Adrian agreed to go up. Nice exercise. We explored Malta's beautiful three cities over 2 days. We wandered through the peaceful little streets, admiring the colorful balconies and feeling like time slowed down in every corner. This trip was all about slowing down, soaking in the history and enjoying those small magical moments that make travel unforgettable. I absolutely loved it. You definitely need a whole day here in the three cities because it's very hot You just walk a little bit, sit down, relax, sit down somewhere, have a drink, have some food, and then walk slowly, exploring everything, enjoying the view. We did it in 2 days. Ti amo.
Ti amo.
We're pretending this is our first date.
Yeah. So we split the bill.
You're Romanian. It doesn't mean you become suddenly English or something. We also got to experience Malta from the water, taking both the simple local ferries and a traditional gondola ride across the harbour to Valletta. It was such a special way to see the city, especially having the boat all to ourselves. They're so cute.
Yeah?
Yeah, relaxing and fast and comfortable. Really nice.
Oh my god. And it's £3.
3 euros
3 euros
per person one way. And now taking a lift again. It's an amazing system, you know, instead of just walking somewhere up by steps, you have a lift, and it's a cool system with €1 both ways. Really comfortable, fast, and you don't have to climb all of these annoying steps what you don't like so much. Such a contrast. You hear music, people talking, church bells, everything. Spar shop. You can even buy them in Spar. That's amazing. It's very nice and tasty. Oh my god, I love them. We're going to Comino Island today. Yes,
Comino.
Blue Lagoon. No Malta trip is complete without visiting the famous Blue Lagoon in Comino. We are here, we are in Comino, Blue Lagoon. Even though it's a popular spot, it truly felt magical. It's still worth visiting for slowing down, exploring and enjoying those unforgettable, beautiful little moments. Comino, or Comuna in Maltese, is a very small and very peaceful island midway between the islands of Malta and Gozo. The island is mostly a rocky wilderness, largely undeveloped. We're going to swim in Blue Lagoon. Look at this water, so cool. Fresh. This crystal clear water was absolutely breathtaking. A perfect day out swimming, relaxing and soaking in the wild beauty of the island. We're going into the cave?
Let's try to see.
That was nice. Wow, that's cool. have churches everywhere. The island is inhabited by only a handful of people and is mostly visited for a day trip, both by the Maltese themselves as well as tourists.
That's a nice town here. Good smoking very near that cave.
We have a flat tire in our scooter. That's what we're missing after a long day in the beach, being so relaxed and nice. We have a flat tire. Hopefully they're coming soon to tow and fix the bike, because it's also a Sunday. Gladly, Malta is such a small country, so hopefully by the logic that it's such a small island, they come fast. At least we broke up in a beautiful place. Thank you for your support, much appreciated. Please leave a comment and like, and make sure to subscribe for the next video.